Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the glass tip nail look requested by Meyer, take 2. I've got the Painted Desert extra short coffin nails and the Anchor and Heart jelly tips. This is Euphoria and this is an old glitter bomb. I mean just crazy glitter, and I've got like a collection of them and they are my go-tos when I need some glitter effect. I think it's Glitter Gal or Glitter Addict. But we're just going to, what we're trying to do with this look is kind of take care of that seam that's underneath the nail of my natural nail. And these LA Girl Glitter Addicts just work great for this, you know, because I'm not wanting to totally like have a hard line there. I'm just wanting a little, you know, blurring of the line. That's it. Doesn't that jelly tip look good? I love these things. Alright, so we did our dabbing. And now I've got a little piece of sponge. And I'm going to dab like a thicker line of it. And kind of bring it up the nail a little bit. Got my little pinchy tweezers that hold that little piece of sponge good. So there we go. Gonna dab, dab, dab. Little dabbing going on today. I like it. Already I like it. This is working out so much better than my last attempt. And I'm sure if I do this again, it'll get even better. So dab, dab, dab. Ta-da! I am going to top these with I&Ms out the door. And I did have a sticky base coat, like I said, from Anchor and Heart down. So now we're getting another layer going on, building these up a little bit. Isn't that pretty? I like it just like that even. And I am going to go underneath the nail to help blur it even more, and also to help cover up the number on those number tips. You know how they've got little numbers that tell you what size they are? So that's how we're doing that. Gotta get Woody because I got a little carried away. Thank you, Woody. How you doing? Good job. There we go. And that's what they look like at this point. I'll be using the Twirls and Swirls 01. And I'll be using that little feathery, loopy, twoopy, swirly, twirly with Bundle Monsters number 8. Super old. And a cube stamper and my H. La Costadora scraper. So here we go. We're going to just get started. Now this didn't turn out exactly like I pictured it in my head, but we're way closer to what I was wanting. And I hope that you guys enjoy this one. There we go, getting all that excess up with a little piece of tape. I've already done some of the nails, so I'm starting on the edge and running it across. And then I'm going to clean my stamper off. And I'm going to pull another little bit of an image to do my like swirly up onto the nail part. Just a little bit extra. It doesn't matter what design you use, or you know, you could just use different pieces from all over this plate. But this is what we're doing. Just kind of make it look like it's swirled together. I am cleaning that plate off with acetone. And we're going to do this again. Scrape. Clean off that scraping card. Pick up the image. Clean up the excess. There we go. Turn it around. And ta-da! And once again, need a little bit of extra from this bit down here. And I do hope that someone will try this look. Someone else will try this and see what they can come up with. And if you do, let me know so I can go check it out. If you've got a video or pictures on Instagram or anything, I'd love to see. So there we go. I'm cleaning up now. We're going to get that scraper card clean. Get the plate all clean. You guys know I like to put my stuff away clean. There we go. And the little bitty mat, a little spark mat. I am going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up off of my skin. There we go. Get my cleanup brush out. Go around real quick. Not very much cleanup. It's relatively a neat manicure. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Love, love this stuff. It looks so pretty. It does look glassy. And once that's dry, I'll be going in with my Poshe top coat, sealing this design in so I can get my swatch photo. You guys know I love that glossy top coat. And I'm going to go in up underneath again. I just want to make sure that that number don't hop out. I don't want nobody seeing that. I am going to go around my cuticles real quick with some Baroness X Cuticle Balm. I don't always show this in my videos, but I always do it. And here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.